DIY woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com. In this project, I'll show you how to build a 16 by 16 modern pavilion with clean lines and a sturdy frame. The design features solid posts, large beams, decorative braces, and exposed rafters that create a strong structure while giving the pavilion a contemporary look. This pavilion offers plenty of covered space for a patio lounge, outdoor dining area, or grill station. Full plans with cut and shopping lists on my blog, myoutdoorplans.com. See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com.